Thank you very much. The OAD video gives you a small taste of what the OAD is about. And hopefully you can now see how the OAD fits within the IAU family of offices. You would have already heard from our three sister offices with whom we work closely. What is impossible for us to capture in that short video or in this short time is the passion and dedication of the hundreds of people around the world, of our 11 regional offices and their networks, who have embraced this unifying vision of using astronomy for a better world. In the recent external review of the OAD, which was mentioned by Teresa Lago in the last session, the panel led by Ian Corbett did an extensive interrogation of the OAD's work, seeking input from around 50 stakeholders. I'll quote from that report as a way of paying tribute to our global community, which this year celebrates 10 years of the OAD. So the quote goes, "Our interviews with major stakeholders and written input we have received endorse our conclusion that the performance of the OAD has been outstanding by any standards and exceptional given the small size of the core team, its global remit, and its relatively modest resources. We were impressed by the enthusiasm and commitment of everyone we spoke to, and by the range of activities being carried out worldwide under the auspices of the OAD," end quote. So thanks to this extremely positive review, the commitment of the South African government through the Department of Science and Innovation and the National Research Foundation has been secured for the next 6 years. So that's great. We have our roots in place. The OAD will live on from its base here in South Africa. But what does this mean to you, the IAU members, and all its global communities? What does this mean to the world? The OAD exists as a space where we can take this fascinating, inspiring, cutting-edge science of astronomy and use it in all its aspects to impact positively on global development. It is a space where anyone can come who wants to apply themselves, to apply their skills to the challenges facing our people, the challenges facing our planet. And what challenges we have, look at what we've done or not done that has left our people, different parts of the world, hungry. What have we done or not done that has spurred conflicts affecting millions of our fellow human beings? What have we done or not done that has left the world so unequal that we are sometimes blind to the pain of others? What have we done or not done that makes people spread lies and misinformation at such alarming rates? What have we done or not done that has doomed our children to a planet less pleasant than that of our parents? And the global pandemic has only further highlighted the great challenges of our time and the great inequalities that persist and pervade in society. The OAD is a place for people to come together and tackle these challenges by applying all the sophistication, all the grandeur, all the intellect of this field of astronomy. And we call on you, we call on astronomers, the custodians of this amazing field. We call on enthusiasts, we call on educators, on NGOs, on development practitioners, on social scientists to come together, join us in this OAD space through fellowships, through partnerships, through projects, through collaborations of any kind that will contribute to making the world a better place. So please do get in touch and let us join hands. Let us put our minds together. Let us put our hearts together, and let us serve society together. Thank you very much.